deep beneath the surface, the statue has transformed into a vibrant artificial reef, a testament to life's resilience.
All vessels, hold steady at the perimeter. Crane is deploying.
Roger. Holding steady.
We need 2 degrees port, slow and steady.
Roger, 2 degrees port. Coming to a stop now.
We have a positive lock on the target. Transmitting coordinates now, 34 degrees north, 25 degrees east.
Tension is building rapidly on line 3. Watch the threshold.
Holding steady at 80% capacity.
Center of gravity shifting again. Watch the angle. Adjusting cable speed now.
Surface control, we are proceeding to waypoint Charlie. Visibility is improving slightly. Over.
The oxygen levels are holding steady at 9 ppm. Turbidity is clear.
Good. Go ahead and log that set with the GPS coordinates.
We initiate the lift sequence now. Are you ready for the ascent?
Ready. All parameters are nominal.
Bring it up 20 feet, hold steady. We are clear on the east side. Roger that, coming up to 20.
Exposure looks good on the texture. Cool. Noted. Moving to the inscription now.
This heavily pitted bronze, particularly around the lotus pedestal, reveals the significant toll time, and the elements have taken over a century.
Slow the scan rate here, John. Confirmed. There's significant corrosion at the joint.
Be very careful with the brush on this section. We must preserve the original texture.
Aprieta la cadena izquierda. Está seguro. Revisa los hidráulicos. Todo bien.
The scan data looks promising on the left quadrant.
Yes, but the microabrasions near the ankle require immediate attention before we proceed.